Welcome back everyone to Simply Legal. Today I'm here to talk to you about something very simple: fraudulent titles and everything concerning land transactions in terms of fraud. So here we go. There are many situations where people have obtained titles through fraudulent ways, or someone innocently has bought land and has been given a certificate of title, whereas the other person had fraudulently obtained it. The Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, under Article 26, gives every citizen of Uganda a right to own property, and part of that property is land. Article 237 of the Constitution vests the power in the citizens of Uganda to own land in their different land tenure system. Milo land tenure system, freehold tenure system, customary land tenure system. We have the Registration of Titles Act, in particular Section 59. And Section 59 talks about the fact that once someone has obtained a certificate of title in a very lawful and legal way, then his title is indefeasible. Indefeasible means it cannot be challenged. If all due diligence has been done and he obtained his title without any fraudulent ways, he's protected under Section 59, still of the Registration of Titles Act. All of us understand what fraud is. Fraud is obtaining something in a way which is dubious, in a way in which you have altered the truth to obtain something valuable from another person. Therefore, fraud was defined in the case of Frederick Zabwe versus Orient Bank. In the case of Frederick Zabwe versus Orient Bank, fraud was stated as the intentional perversion of the truth to obtain something valuable from another person, stripping them of their legal right to that particular object. It could be land, it could be a car, it could be a logbook, any piece of property that has fraud. Frederick Zabwe versus Orient Bank talks about that particular definition of fraud. Section 59 of the Registration of Titles Act of Uganda states that once a person is a registered owner of the land and obtained his land title or certificate of title through the proper means, then he or she has an indefeasible title. However, it is subject to impeachment. A bona fide purchase of value without notice is someone who will buy this land if, let's say, Mr. Idris told me, he's a broker, and told me that, you know what, Terry, there's a piece of land in Mutundwe, and he has assured you that, you know what, there's no other owner of this land, you're going to buy it from Mr. Kasimba John, and this land has no other owner. And I say, you know what, I've also done my due diligence. Once I buy Mr. Kasimba's land in Mutundwe, I become a bona fide purchaser for value. However, if Mr. Kasimba comes up and says, you know what, I didn't sell this land to Terry, or another owner comes and claims that he has the right certificate of title for that land in Mutundwe, then I become a bona fide purchaser for value without notice. Meaning I did not, even after doing my due diligence, I did not know still that there was an owner of that land. I did everything and still there's another person coming to claim that title. So therefore, what are the remedies in regards to fraud concerning land